Times are changing and many people are searching for an alternative. This channel is for anyone looking for resources, ideas, and opportunities to change their lives. A simple change of lifestyle can have a huge impact. Having the right information is the first step. To get the most up-to-date information, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And if this content was helpful, make sure to like the video. In the comments below, tell us what your plans are to get off the grid. Thanks for watching.
My name is Thomas Fisher, Vice President of Partnerships with Now Housing, and today we're in our prototype of, we call it a micropad. And here it's 160 square foot, totally integrated bathroom and kitchenette unit with its own heating and air conditioning unit. We have put in a bunk bed here, has its storage at the bottom, one of the storages. We have a full kitchenette that is a full hardwood granite countertop with their own fridge and freezer. The bathroom has washer dryer unit in it and shower. So this is our micropad module. We just came from the inside, and this module is a 40-foot shipping container. Creates 2 units inside. Each are 160 square feet. The whole thing is on 320. Creates self-contained units, including the bathroom, kitchenette, the bed. Everything is inclusive. When we place this into a standard building site, this can be occupied by an individual right away.